Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And first I must apologise for not uploading a video in over a week. It's just been way too hot in the UK. I've especially been in a conservatory, the studio's not built, so I do apologise for that. However, today we're going to be taking a look at the Xiberia V20 headphones. Now the link is in the description down below. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it's not going to cost you anything extra. It just gives the channel a bit of a kickback. Without further ado, let's jump straight on into that review. So straight out of the box, you're going to be greeted with a user manual and a registration card, obviously warranty card. Now they're both in Chinese, so I don't understand these, so they're going to go to one side. I've also got this 3.5mm jack splitter to both headphones and speaker, which is absolutely fantastic, which we'll talk about more later on down the line. Let's talk about the headphones themselves. Now this acrylic stand that they're standing on is again from Amazon, link in the description down below, doesn't cost you anything extra, does give the channel a bit of a kickback just like the headphones, and the variants are black or clear, which I'm using here. Let's talk about the headphones themselves. So like the others I reviewed, they all come with this plastic shroud. Obviously the others had aluminium for the top, this one doesn't, but again sturdiness is there. It doesn't creak and it doesn't crack when you move them around, which is a major added bonus for a cheap pair of headphones. Let's talk about the comfortable option of this headset. So like the others, this has got fake black plastic at the top here that feels leather and with foam on the inside. So after long gaming sessions, this is actually really comfortable. Moving on to the ear cups themselves, and again they've got the fake black leather around the inside with foam in the middle, and again really comfortable for long gaming sessions. However, they aren't breathable, so it does get a bit hot and sweaty after a period of time, but again that's normally 2-3 hours down the line. And it also does keep your ears away from the drivers pretty well, so my ears didn't touch the drivers, so it wasn't that bad. Let's talk about the right ear cup, and just on the right here you do get this black ripple plastic effect down the side with Xiberia through the middle, which is RGB. Moving on to the left ear cup, and again the same black ripple down the side with Xiberia through the middle, again RGB as I said. But what's great about this headset is the microphone. Now the reason being is again it's on teeth like another headset I reviewed last week or the week before, and yeah, it stays where you put it. It doesn't move, which is fantastic. Again, some of the more expensive headphones, like my Corsair Void Pros, which are around about £80, don't have that option. Up is off, down is on, and you can't toggle it in the middle. Some of the cheaper options don't come with these teeth on the middle, and they just don't stay where you put them. Again, the microphone is flexible to stand or stay wherever you put it and wherever you want it, which is great. Again, not an option on some of the cheap microphones. They just are static and stay in one angle. But the Corsair Void Pros that I've got over there, they do flex. But again, they're about £55 more than this headset. So we'll talk about the audio quality in just a moment. But apart from that, yeah, headset I'm really pleased with. Braided cables, absolutely fantastic on any cheap headsets. It doesn't cost that much to put on them. Now the reason I like braided cables is because it gives the headset a more of a premium feel, which this obviously isn't premium price, but having that premium feel is a massive bonus. Now you do get this little inline controller. So on the top here you've got your mute on and off, and on the side you've got your volume slider here as well. And then obviously on down to the bottom you've got a 3.5mm male jack, and you've got the USB. Now the USB is just going to be for the RGB on these headphones, and this here is just going to be for anything like your laptops if they only have a 3.5mm jack in. It's going to be for your Xbox controllers, your PlayStation controllers. You can also link it up to tablets and phones, and obviously the Switch as well, which is where this jack comes in handy. Now if you're using them for a PC or using them for a laptop that does have mic and obviously speaker input as well, this 3.5mm jack is going to come in really handy. So let's actually put these through the quality of the audio test by putting my mic on the inside, listening to some music, and see what the mids, the lows, the highs and the bass actually sound like. So let's check out the mic audio quality of the Xiberia V20 headset. And here you go, this is the headset mic, and yes, it's okay, it's going to do for things like games, Discord, Zoom, Skype, TeamSpeak, whatever other platform you use to use a microphone on or communicate with. However, whilst it's alright, it is a little bit muffled, so like I said, it's not going to be the best, but it will do and it will get you by. So then, at the time of filming, the Xiberia V20 headset comes in at £25.99, of which you can find that Amazon affiliate link in the description down below, along with the headset stand, and it doesn't cost you anything extra, it just gives me some money back to do these videos. Let's talk about the pros of this headset, and comfortability. It's alright, it's there. The ear cups give you a bit of movement on the ears, which is quite nice. The headband obviously does hold it there and is actually quite comfortable, and also are the ear cups. However, the con with that is that the ear cups aren't breathable, so it does get a bit hot and sweaty. Let's move on to the microphone, and the good bit about the microphone is you can step it with that stepper into place and then bend it around to your mouth, which is absolutely fantastic. However, the audio quality is a bit muffled, and if you had a better microphone, then this would be one outstanding cheap headset for you guys at home. Moving on to audio of the speakers. Now, the lows and the mids are there. However, when it does get to the highs, it gets ever so slightly tinny and sort of distorted, and the bass isn't really there, but bar that, you can pass it. A few hours of gaming, you will get used to it, and that's absolutely fine. And obviously, having a braided cable for that inline controller gives it that premium quality. However, that does it all for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let YouTube know that this video is actually likeable. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. And click that bell icon for more notifications from myself. I have got a £350 gaming PC coming up shortly, so stay tuned for that. If there's any questions that you want to ask, then leave your thoughts in that comment section down below and I will try and answer them. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.